Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Just want to give a quick shout out and say thanks so much for being the first to comment on my last video. So for today's video, we're going to be using my Almond Short Soft Gel Full Nail Covers. As always, these are available for purchase in my Etsy shop. And all I'm doing now is going in and sizing them so they fit my nail wall to wall. If you have problems with shaping and if you're looking for easier solutions for doing nails, I definitely recommend giving these a try. They're very beginner friendly, easy to use, and they give you the perfect shape every single time. So we're using Polygel today, and for my slip solution, I'm going to be using alcohol and this Beetles Polygel in the shade 94. I got this in a kit, and I'll be sure to have the link to it down below. But all I'm doing is going in with the pea size amount and just making sure that the cuticle area is thinner than the rest of the nails. And that's it. It's super easy to apply Polygel. I'm doing my same method as always. If this is your first time doing polygel nails, I can say that sometimes in the beginning, you kind of have to get used to that perfect amount that you should be putting in each full nail cover. But if you do make a mistake and you put it on and some polygel squeezes out, as you can see here, all you do is go in and you just want to make sure that you wipe off any excess that may be squeezed out on the sides of your nails before you cure. Additionally, I also recommend flipping the nail upside down and making sure the underneath of your nails is thinned out and not bulky, because if it's too bulky, then a lot of dirt and debris can get caught and trapped in that little crack. So you just want to make sure you flatten out the underneath as well before curing. So yeah, I'm just going to be doing this on the rest of my nails, and I'll just sit back and let you guys watch. Side note, I side cure each nail for about 30 seconds, and then after I finish my full hand, I just go in and cure for about a full minute to a minute and 30 seconds. Alright, so I'm not showing you the full process, but all I'm showing you guys is after I finish applying my nails, I went in with a ballpoint drill bit and I just kind of thinned out the cuticles to help melt them. And then I went in with an 80/80 grit nail file, all available for purchase off of Amazon, and just cleaned up my nails a little bit. Alright, so now we're going in and I'm going to be showing you guys my design. I'm using a Beetles white polish, but you can use any white polish. And I'm just going in and doing my design. Side notes, I'll just mention everything that I used here. Almost everything except for my subtle glitter top coat is off of Amazon. So the link for everything will be down below. But I'm just going in with a blooming polish, Model 1's top coat, Beetles polish, some stripe tape, and pearls, and also some, they call them caviar beads, the gold beads to the top right corner. Those are called caviar beads. And this palette that I'm using for, that has a whole bunch of nail swatches on it is actually from Shein, as long as the nail art brush. But beyond that, everything else is from Amazon. So yeah, I'm just going to sit back and let you guys watch me do my design. I'll chime in if there's something of substance that I want to mention. Using this blooming polish is really super easy. You go in and apply it, and you don't cure. You apply whatever, color polish you want to start spread. And then after you finish your final design and it's to your liking, then you go in and cure. So I'm just going in and doing some swipes of that polish. And then I also went in with the same brush and swirled and made circles to get the look that I was going for, which was kind of like a marble-ish effect, and it worked perfectly. I really love this blooming gel, and I definitely recommend it. If you've had problems with blooming gels in the past, this one is like amazing. Alright, so this is a subtle glitter no wipe top coat. This is from the brand Nails Cat Cat. I mention it all the time. I love this brand, and I do have a few products from her line, but this is one of my favorites. It is a no wipe top coat, and I will be sure to leave the link to this down below as well. Also, side note, when you're using the stripe tape, you just want to make sure that you top off your nails after you apply the stripe tape, because if you don't top it off, they can peel off very easily. I forgot to top it off on my thumbs, I believe. I'm not sure, but you just want to make sure that you top it off with a really good heavy-duty top coat after applying your stripe tape. I forgot to mention, this is a drill point gel. I use this to apply my rhinestones, and if you don't have this, I definitely recommend investing in it because it just makes the rhinestone application so much easier because with the precision tip. It just makes applying your rhinestones easy and not messy. It doesn't leave a big blob of glue like other rhinestone applicators do. So I definitely recommend getting a drill point rhinestone applicator. As said before, everything I mentioned can be purchased off of Amazon except for that subtle glitter top coat. Amazon. Seems like Amazon is just taking over, you know? But hey, it is what it is. Everything is pretty much from there. Alright, last and final step, my favorite. I'm going in with one of my cuticle oils, and today I used the scent Jasmine. And as I say in every video, it does not matter how cute your nails are. If your cuticles are dry and crusty, your nails will not be cute. So you want to make sure you invest in a super good hydrating cuticle oil. Here are the final designs. I absolutely love these nails. These were my favorite. A lot of people ask how long these nails last. They last until you want them to come off. So I had these nails on for 2 weeks, and of course they grew out, but they were still sturdy and I had no lifting. So this is also with the proper prep, which I didn't show in the video, just a side note. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys so much, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye.